U.S. allies need a stable F-35 program from the Biden administration. Now more than ever, America needs its allies, and its allies need America. As hostile actors continue their aggressive, increasingly militarized behaviors, the Biden administration must find ways to stabilize and strengthen its relations with its key strategic partners around the world. Nowhere in the world does this hold truer than the Indo-Pacific. President Joe Biden has made this region as a key focus in his foreign policy agenda, as shown by the administration's recent high-level visits to Asia. To meet the rising security challenges posed by regimes including Russia and China, America's emphasis on the Indo-Pacific is crucial to its safety, as well as its allies. As a retired Lieutenant General of the Republic of Korea Army, ROKA, I welcome the Biden administration's proactive posture towards our region. Key U.S. allies in East Asia, including South Korea, have historically partnered with America to contain threats to the region, and maintaining a robust military alliance between our two countries is essential to achieve our mutual interests of peace in this part of the world. For reasons of interoperability and to maintain the highest quality armed forces, the South Korean military uses U.S. arms to conduct its mission to maintain peace. These include Apache attack helicopters, F-15 and F-16 fighters, and the F-35 stealth fighter. The South Korean Air Force operates 40 F-35s and is planning to acquire 20 more to supplement its capabilities. U.S. Secretary of Defense Lloyd Austin recently visited Seoul and reassured the South Korean government that the United States will continue to deploy strategic assets, including F-35 fighter jets, as deterrence assets against North Korea. This was a much-needed move against an ever-growing nuclear threat from North Korea, and it reassured many Koreans as to the credibility of the U.S. commitment to the region. Having said that, conflicting news from the United States on the F-35 program and its future is concerning, to say the least.